Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that originates from which region? A. Gulf of Mexico, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is option A, Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico and flows into the Atlantic Ocean. Next question is, who is known for the discovery of the electron? A. Niels Bohr, B. Albert Einstein, C. J.J. Thomson, D. Max Planck. The correct answer is option C. J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson is credited with the discovery of the electron in 1897. Next question is, the Battle of Gettysburg took place during which war? A. American Revolutionary War, B. American Civil War, C. Spanish-American War, D. World War I. The correct answer is option B, American Civil War. The Battle of Gettysburg was fought during the American Civil War in 1863 and marked a turning point in the conflict. Next question is, the Battle of Waterloo in 1815 marked the defeat of which leader? A. Julius Caesar, B. Napoleon Bonaparte, C. Alexander the Great, D. Genghis Khan. The correct answer is option B, Napoleon Bonaparte. The Battle of Waterloo, fought in 1815, marked the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte, effectively ending his rule over France. Next question is, the first successful manned mission to the moon was conducted by which Apollo mission? A. Apollo 10, B. Apollo 12, C. Apollo 11, D. Apollo 13. The correct answer is option C, Apollo 11. 11 was the first successful manned mission to the moon, landing Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969. Next question is, the Angkor Wat is located in which country? A. Thailand, B. Laos, C. Cambodia, D. Vietnam. The correct answer is option C, Cambodia. Angkor Wat, a massive temple complex, is located in Cambodia and is the largest religious monument in the world. Next question is, the Zambezi River flows through which African country? A. Egypt, B. Kenya, C. Zimbabwe, D. Nigeria. The correct answer is option C, Zimbabwe. The Zambezi River flows through several countries in southern Africa, including Zimbabwe, and is famous for the Victoria Falls. Next question is, who wrote the famous novel Don Quixote? A. Miguel de Cervantes, B. Gabriel Garcia Marquez, C. John Milton, D. Leo Tolstoy. The correct answer is option A, Miguel de Cervantes. Don Quixote is a novel written by Spanish author Miguel de Cervantes, published in two parts in 1605 and 1615. Next question is, the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched by which country? A. United States, B. Soviet Union, C. China, D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is option B, Soviet Union. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, into orbit in 1957. Last question is, the Golden Gate Bridge is located in which US city? A. New York, B. Los Angeles, C. Chicago, D. San Francisco. The correct answer is option D, San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in San Francisco, California, and is one of the most iconic suspension bridges in the world. Now it's time for practice question. Who is known for developing the theory of quantum mechanics? A. Niels Bohr, B. Albert Einstein, C. Max Planck, D. Werner Heisenberg. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.